Seven Star Towing and Recovery. Going You're out right here in Charlotte on Thor Road. 598-6455. It happens every once in a while. You need their help. They're there to take care of you.
I'm afraid when I go like that, I will beat that baby foot.
Cool. Now tonight, in Monster Jam, I'll tell you right now, the loud